Fall is the season for transformation, and this year, my closet is changing too. From fast fashion and thrift finds to homemade, I'm building my dream wardrobe one piece at a time. I know it's been a while since we've last seen each other, and I've missed you guys, but I'm back and I have something exciting to share. I'm designing my dream fall wardrobe. Now, I'll be honest, I'm no expert. I'm a confident beginner, which means I know the basics and then some. But this project is me trying to push myself, expand my skills, and end up with clothes I really love. And if you've been here for my natural hair content, don't worry, my hair is still a point of focus. I just wanted to share more about myself because I am more than just my hair. Okay, here's the vibe I'm going for this fall. Picture Evie from The Mummy, but with like a 70s flair and a touch of whimsigoth magic. I want a mix of bookish and adventurous. Like I could spend all day in a library, but run off to my next adventure without having to change my shoes. There's gonna be some flowy, romantic pieces that make me feel like I could wander through a moonlit garden, and structured, tailored pieces that make me feel grounded and confident. Think velvet coat, billowy blouses, wide-legged trousers, and crochet layering pieces, all in jewel tones, earthy golds, mossy greens, and rich reds. It's a kind of wardrobe that works in the real world. In the office, meeting a friend for coffee, running to the grocery store, but it still feels like if you stumbled into another world, you look like you belong there. Basically, I'm stitching a bit of the fantastic into the everyday. And every adventure starts with a great wardrobe. I have an assortment of fabrics and yarn that I've been hoarding for a while now, and while I first encountered them in the thrift store or when I found them online, I just thought they were really pretty, but I can see that they kind of fit within the vision I'm going for. And as I go through them and share what I want them to become, please let me know in the comments which project I should start first. I know I have a few lofty goals for the next few months, but I want to show you the fabric I have and a few potential project ideas I'm throwing around. Spiderweb printed cotton fabric I picked up from Joann's, RIP. And I was thinking with this, I've been holding on for a little bit. I think I want to make it into an underbust corset. I think it'll be cute for Halloween. I have other black fabric I can use for a more simple underbust. I have this white cotton fabric. A lot of my, just heads up, a lot of my fabrics are blankets that I gotten from the thrift store. So this one is a white fabric I tried to use as a muslin before, but I have plenty of it to make a flowy white blouse that I think will look well under like a pinafore dress or underneath the corset or just as by itself. On my wish list, I also have a poncho in this color scheme. I think it'll be so groovy, so vintage, but also so fun to put over like a cute top and some pants or a mini skirt and some boots. Deliciously fall, deliciously wearable. Do you remember when everyone was doing that vest skirt set in that medieval tapestry type style? I have this kind of fabric and it's a bit thick. So I was thinking maybe shorts or a skirt with a waistcoat vest set. I'm not sure, but I'll let you decide in the comments. Should I make these into a short or a skirt? There's a creator here called This Is Kachi, and she has this great little, she has this like maxi skirt that has a ruffle underneath, and I have this red satin material, and I have envisioned it. It's super flowy. Its twirlability is off the scales, and I think this is the fabric to do it. I would like to use this green or a green like it because it's kind of a slippery material as a sweater vest, mainly because it would be cute with the brown angles I have going on. And it's just gorgeous. Even when you see it in the light, it's lovely. I can imagine wearing it on top of a button down and a mini skirt, just fun. For the crochet layering piece, I was thinking this. It would act as like a top layer. My only concern is that because it's so white, it would get dirty so easily. So I don't know if I want to keep it this color or maybe do an off white or another shade. That depends on what the bottom pieces are going to be. So that one's pending. The idea is to build my wardrobe piece by piece, so by the time fall rolls around, I'll be ready. While I do have some ideas that are fully formed, some of them still require some materials, some notions that I don't have just yet. But I am ready to start and I need your help. I want you to help me pick out my first project. Should I go with the underbust corset? Should I start with the red satin maxi skirt? Or should I do the flowy blouse? Let me know in the comments below. And those are my plans. Over the span of this project, I'll be turning my fabric stash and Pinterest boards into real wearable clothes, and I want you to join this journey with me. Whether you're interested in sewing, crocheting, or just want to see if I actually pull it off, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Episode 1 is coming sooner than you think, so stick around, stay tuned, and I'll see you later.